The enemy's greatest scam in business is lack. He whispers, you don't have enough capital, you don't have enough experience, and you don't have the right connection. Listen, that's a lie from the pit of hell. Every successful entrepreneur started with less than they needed and a little bit of crazy faith to do something that seemed impossible. Apple started in a garage. Amazon started in a home office. Disney, Nike, and Google all began with more convictions than capital. They didn't wait for perfect timing. They learned, unlearned, and relearned along the way. They figured it out in the process. That's the entrepreneurial spirit. You don't start when you are ready. You start when you are willing. Because the best business didn't start when they had enough. They started before they did. Here is a principle that changes everything. Sell first, then build. You don't need more capital, you need sales. When you sell first, you activate three powerful forces. Number one, validation. You confirm that real people actually want what you offer. Two, focus. You build only what solves a real problem. And three, leverage. Momentum attracts investors, partners, and opportunity. This is called the resourcefulness principle. The idea that constraints don't limit creativity, they ignite it. When you have less, your brain becomes sharper, more innovative, and more strategic. So what feels like lack is often the birthplace of clarity and innovation. Stop waiting for the perfect condition. Start creating it through motion. Because faith in business is not sitting still and hoping. It's moving forward and trusting that the path will become clearer as you go. So today, take the bold step. Pitch that idea, launch that vision, offer that value, and sell that solution. Because capital doesn't chase ideas, it chases momentum. And so if you find this video helpful, do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the World Shift TV for more valuable videos on building kingdom wealth and manifesting the dominion mandate. See you in the next one.